and I'm back with a small unboxing. This is what was in the last unboxing. I wanted to do its own video because some people's had trouble with it and whatnot on Amazon, so I wanted to do a unboxing of it myself. So we have the hose. Oh, this is the shower head. What is it? Dream Spa Ultra Rainfall shower head. So we got this piece, which the little one will connect to here. They're supposed to. We have some of the white tape, which is perfect. And then we have this piece that can go on the shower to also hold the little one. Okay. We have the little shower head. It's a little dirty. Look at that. It's a little dirty. This is brand new. They're supposed to be. So. Just sterilize it before I put it on. See if this even works. We have instructions. Then we have, yes, super excited about this. Have the actual Rainfall shower head. Perfect. That is beautiful. Look at all that. That's so pretty. Now you can see what I'm filming on. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.